We're here.
我们来啦！停车。Oh, lucky. 走走走。Long life. Forever.
Man, look, this. Forever. Forever. Forever.
月亮。好。台中高铁。哦。坐高铁，因为很方便，
Because sometimes the airplane is nighttime.
比较舒服。
Not always daytime.
Wow! I'm so excited to see my mom. So excited to see Grandma.
I'm so excited.
Prepare one mask for your mom.
I like
Oh, nice.
to everybody.
Oh, really? Huh. 真的很早。Sunrise. Wow. 早安。
下列配合。
我们很幸运，因为台湾有高铁，那么快。
將他哋並且時節會插個人於台一個城市嘅先係準備。Your attention please. Train starting at platform 2.
Smell like McDonald's? Yeah.
Up there, McDonald's.
Please.
Find Grandma. It's here, right there. She's here?
See, Grandma? Hi, Mom.
Hi, welcome!
I love it.
Yay!
Oh, I missed you too. Oh, look how big you are. You're so tall.
And look at my seat.
Oh, nice. Like Daddy's.
These ones
It smells
are
like
Daddy's.
beans.
Yeah.
And then these ones are mine, and this one's not. This one's not. Oh yeah, and this one
Are you sure?
like this.
Oh, okay.
All right. Nope. Here, Mom.
Mommy, Grandma didn't follow the directions very good. Sorry. I'm worried about Daddy. Doing it online, it didn't work for me because they wanted my airline number, and I put Eva BR55. But since I put Eva, they wouldn't accept it, so I had to redo it because it was just BR55. But I didn't know. But I was like, okay, nice and just something different. But
Yeah.
it was fine.
One of his teacher, she has 3 sisters. They just
Yeah.
visited last week,
And one for
and they had to redo it too because they all went through security together, customs together. And because one said, "Oh, I'm here for sightseeing," the other one said, "I'm here to visit family." and they were like, "Which one is it?"
Oh, because they thought, yeah.
Like, why are you? Yeah.
Like, what does it matter? Like,
but
I know, yeah, they didn't ask me that. I mean, I had to fill it out that I was with you, visiting family.
yeah, what's your reason for being here?
Yeah,
But one said
visiting.
like sightseeing, and the other one said, yeah, one said,
Dad, this time we're going to visit upstairs, the office.
Where?
Like the library and the office. And
Those buildings are beautiful. Yes,
you want to do that?
I do.
Okay. Because last time we just showed you the town.
Right.
This time
And
we're
I saw
gonna-
some artwork that you did. Remember, it was on the wall.
Oh yeah, yeah. And I saw a really cool, perfect artwork.
"We have low speed rail."
We have the
No more
1800 Carnegie First Railroad. Yeah, they're still.
Yeah. So you took the MRT, which is like our subway,
Yes.
or like our train. How is
Yeah.
it different?
First of all, it doesn't smell.
Yeah.
Second of all, the seats are much more comfortable.
Yeah.
It was just nicer, more modern.
Definitely more modern,
Yeah,
cleaner.
definitely cleaner. Yes.
So good, should not allow
You
it.
know, a lot of times they have.
Yeah. And there, if you saw, you can't chew gum.
Oh, I remember the last time I was
Yeah,
here and I got in trouble for chewing gum in the airport.
but nice is.
Well, not in trouble, but
They
made
reminded you before you
They
got on
reminded
there.
me, right?
Yes, we were wondering this time if you were to remember.
You know what? I almost put gum in my mouth when I was waiting for you guys.
Yes, we wanted to see if you remembered.
I didn't remember,
Okay.
but
You did.
I didn't remember, but I didn't put the gum in because I was like, do I really want to keep chewing this gum? And I didn't see a garbage can, so
Yes.
I didn't want to get stuck with it. I didn't want to
No.
have to swallow it.
No, for sure. Absolutely. And even this station here, getting ready to take the look at the floors.
nice. I know. No, I hate to say it, but like no homeless people.
Yeah, no
It's
homeless
terrible
people
to
here.
say,
Yeah,
but it's true.
a lot different, a lot cleaner,
Yeah, a lot cleaner.
fresher,
Doesn't
more
smell.
open air.
Yes.
Yeah,
But it's not like
And it's lighter.
doesn't smell creepy. Safer. Look, this guy said, "Don't leave your suitcase here,"
Yeah. Definitely
which is
safer.
good. Yeah,
Because even when we take like the
I'll
South
be
Shore
right
into
back.
Chicago, it's dark
dark.
at the station.
Yes.
And
Yeah,
I never see any like really police there, just the like engineer on the train.
yeah. Even the garbage cans not overflowing,
Yeah.
which it's the start of the day, but still.
But yeah.
1 hour later.
I touched her
Oh,
Do you remember this place?
I do.
the chef.
I don't remember the chef, but I remember eating here.
First meal in Taiwan. How you feel?
Yum, yum, yum.
Yeah.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum yum yum. Yum yum yum. Yum yum yum.
Okay, last year
I need to read this.
you came here for.
The turnips.
Okay, yeah, Lobo Gao. You went Lobo Gao.
Oh, yeah,
again?
Lobo Gao.
Okay.
Favorite.
No more now.
And I was
Daddy, give me
pleasantly
red tape.
surprised when I went to the bathroom because the bidet. It was
The
like,
bidet.
yay. You know I bought one, but
Daddy.
it didn't work
Oh, so the
well
echo.
because it wasn't heated.
Yeah,
And so I was like, I wondered why I got such a good price on it.
yeah.
And then I was like, what?
Rainbow Village.
That's a cool tree. Look at that.
Yeah.
That is neat. Look at the body. What do they call it? The trunk?
Yeah.
That is
No.
That's my favorite.
You did? Which one? This one?
Just kidding.
This one really cute.
Follow me.
Okay. Oh, this. Oh, wow. Hey, Thor.
Look, even the
There's
roofs are
Mommy.
painted. It's me.
There's Mommy.
And here's me.
Here's Grandma.
Okay. Oh, yeah, with the bird.
Yeah.
No, let me find Grandma. Oh,
Uh-oh.
I know what's Grandma.
That's not me.
Really creative, though, I have to say.
Yeah.
Even the floor, the ceilings.
Daddy, Mommy, I found my sister.
This is all new, though. This I don't think is Rainbow Grandpa. This is a new artist.
Grandma, follow me. I want to tell you something.
What?
I think this is different.
I know who you are.
He said his tummy hurt.
Okay, then he shouldn't eat sushi if his tummy hurts, right?
Grandma, let's over here.
So before Rainbow Grandpa, he used to just sit in here and you could meet him.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Huh.
Yongfu Huang Shen Shen, Rainbow Grandpa. So starting in 2000, he started painting this because the government wanted to knock it down. What?
Wow.
Intentionally vandalized and destroyed. Who do you think did that? Gangsters? No answer.
I'm Rainbow Grandpa.
I like this. Taiwan, you have a special place in my heart. Grateful to be able to celebrate my 25th birthday here. Yeah.
Wishing for.
Oh, and look at this one. This is German.
Yeah. That's what I was gonna say.
Grandma, let's go.
Luck in life, swimming, and school. Go Mars, go Taiwan.
脱单。真的是脱。
Really? Awesome. Oh, wishy-washy.
A return to.
I hope you find the one.
What?
Thank you, Taiwan.
We always use this to close the bag.
Uh-huh.
To open. I wonder if we got this from our house. We have so many.
Mommy makes those kind of hurt.
Here's some different ones. Taichung.
4 years ice cream, remember?
Oh yeah, before you can buy ice cream here, popsicle.
Yeah.
And look at the roofs. Look at these are like traditional village roofs.
When I kid, we didn't know.
Yeah, when Richie was a kid, he lived in a house like this.
Now, what is that made out of? Wood or flat concrete? Like the tiles?
China?
porcelain.
Okay, like a porcelain,
And Grandma-
but not porcelain. Oh my.
So you've been to a new house.
Okay, good.
This has
Recording. Recording. Become recording.
I like that bird.
It's like a package.
Don't bring gifts.
Don't bring gifts. Don't throw
Mom.
gifts in here. What does that have to do with jumping in?
Look, this doesn't look like this. And then a person climbing on it.
Oh, you know what? I have to get back. When you look at it from a distance, it's different than when you get back there. Yes.
Oh,
Well, he's not my grandson.
Right. Yeah, we did recording.
He's an imposter.
yeah, I know. But I just let you do how you want, my baby.
Look at that cow licking something.
Yeah.
And is that like a sloth?
穿山甲.
Pangolin.
Yeah.
Grandma, look at these. Look
Yeah.
at these fruit. I don't wonder what it is.
Those are cherries. I don't know.
Cool.
Yeah.
Look, those guys only have 2 front teeth and nothing else.
And Grandma, if you want some raisins,
Ooh, that's a cool door.
do you like raisins?
Yes, I do.
Our house has super nice. Emma just gave us a pack of raisins. So if you want some, you can have some. It's in our snack basket. It's a secret.
Okay.
And what's this one? Do you guys remember? Here. What's that?
The bullet train.
Yeah, it is our. Very good.
The bullet train. That's a really
Gautier.
Look.
I like this door because
Yeah.
this is like traditional.
Yeah.
This is like one of his masterpieces.
like the scary plane.
Oh my.
Thor, what does it mean to be creative?
Creative, it means to make something new.
Good.
Oh,
I like that definition.
Good. What does creativity mean to you?
Something that is different
Something that's different? Okay, good.
and new.
Can anybody be creative?
Yes.
Do you think certain people are more creative than
Yes.
other people?
Yes.
Why?
I guess their brain's just different. They use one side of their brain more than the other.
Okay, good. What do you think of Rainbow Village?
Beautiful. Very beautiful. Interesting. I mean, you don't, oops. You don't see that every day.
Special. Unique.
And so, do people live in here?
No.
What is it? What's in there?
Now it's just for people to enjoy.
No, inside. What's in there, though?
Just a studio. Just a place for people to enjoy.
Yeah, I just wanted to see if you could see anything. I wanted to see over the...
Yeah, really special. Rainbow Grandpa, we love it.
Hello.
And the style, like, I don't know, it's really interesting, right? Kind of like, I don't know.
There's got to be a name for this kind.
Yeah, right? It's like Mandela, kind of.
Yes.
Yeah, mandolin. You know, like a
Mandolin.
dot.
A mandolin's the thing that you play, like,
Oh, yeah.
I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Maybe it's called Mandela?
Mandela, yeah.
Not Mandela, because that's a guy.
The Mandela effect. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you,
You gonna show me your dance?
Not my dance.
Show me your. Go here and show me your dance.
No.
谢谢你们看我的影片，不要忘记按赞、订阅、留言、加分享，记得打开小叮当。拜拜，再见。We got it!